engineer. So those who are looking for software engineer field, so you can apply for the job. This is a very good opportunity. So let's go and start the video. So this is the page of CloudBees, and they are hiring for associate software engineer, and they are hiring for work from home and flexible, and they are hiring for Bangalore location. So let's talking about this company. So CloudBees is powering the continuous economy of offering the world first end-to-end communication software delivery management system (SDM) for millions of developers and product teams, driving innovations for business, large or small. SDM business constitution integration, CI, and continuous delivery (CD) of enable all the functions and teams within the around the software delivery organization to the work together in amplifying value creation. So let's talking about this role as a software engineer. CloudBees, you will be working the essential contributor of the development of industry leading software product. You will work with the CloudBees continuous integration collaborative team of environment of the design. So what you will do, so design, develop, and maintain DevOps solution that enable organization and streamline their software development and delivery process. This include creating tools and plugging and the integration of the that enhance the capability of the cloud products suites, and implement best practice of the code of the quality automation, testing, code review, and ensure software reusability and the performance. Write unit test and integration test and perform code review of the all this thing, and all this thing you have to know about this: debug, troubleshoot, and resolve technical problem efficiency. And those who have done a bachelor degree of computer science or related technical field, so you can apply for this job. And those who have a 0 to 2 year of experience for Java or Python, so you can also apply. Understanding of AWS, Azure, Google Cloud, and all this thing, and all this thing you have to know about this and how to apply for this job. So you have to just click here, apply now. You have to just upload your resume, and once you upload your resume, then there will be third is placement, so you can go and check about this. So next job is going to Gartner, and they are hiring for associate software engineer for Python or data engineer. So let's talking about, and they are hiring for Kumar location. So about this company, join a world-class team of the skilled engineer who is creating a solution to the support of the colleagues of the client. We make a board organization impacted by the delivering cutting-edge technology and solution power of Gartner IT value to culture of non-stop innovation and outcome-driven approach of the success. So about this role is that Gartner is looking for associate software engineer focusing on the data engineering, and this person will be a part of the team of the development of supporting Gartner of client-facing interfaces, and this includes supporting both of the Gartner.com and all these things you have to know. And what you will do, so participate in the architecture, design, and implementation of high-performance, scalable, and optimized data solution. Design, build, and automate the development of the data pipeline and application to the support data scientists and research will be their reporting and data requirement. Integrate with the wide variety of source, including premises database and external data source with the REST API or having tools. Collaborate with the internal business unit and data science and team business requirement, data access, processing, transformation, and all these things. And work with the team of managing AWS resource, and work with the administration resource of the supporting providing. And what you will do, and so first of all you have to do, those who have a 0 to 5 or 2 year of experience, solution or design development, cloud based data model, ETL pipeline, and infrastructure for reporting, analysis for data science, so you can apply for the job. Experience working with both structure of unstructured data, experience with Spark, Hive, HTC, experience with all this thing, and how and all this thing you have to know about this and how to apply for the job. So you have to just click here, apply now. First of all you have to just sign in, and once you just sign in, then the application page will open, so you can go and check about this. And in this video we have talked about 2 more jobs for associate software engineer. So those who are looking for this job role, so you can apply for this job. This is a very good opportunity, and if you are eligible, then please apply for this job. And if you have any question, then ask me in the comment section, I will help you. So thanks for watching, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, then subscribe to my YouTube channel, press the bell icon to miss any video. So thanks for watching. Till then,